Hello everyone, this is Ketish here. In this video, I'm going to go through the AQA Physics Paper 2 Higher Tier from 2025. Question number 3 is on the topic of forces. A student investigated the acceleration of a ball dropped from different heights. Figure 3 shows a gravity ball that the student used. So there's a button which is marked. The button on the gravity ball starts the stopwatch. When the ball hits the floor, the stopwatch stops. This is the method used. Measure the vertical height above the floor. Hold the gravity ball at the measured height. Start the stopwatch on the gravity ball and drop the gravity ball. Record the time shown on the stopwatch. Repeat steps 1 to 4 using the same height. Repeat steps 1 to 5 using different heights. So once you've got the different times for the heights, you could actually use a simple equation to work out the acceleration. So the student dropped the ball from the same height 5 times and recorded the following results: 0.49, 0.51, 0.58, 0.56, and 0.61. Calculate the uncertainty in these measurements of time. How do you work out the uncertainty? Now, to work out the uncertainty, you need to get the lowest value and the highest value, work out the difference. So 0.61 minus 0.49 would give you 0.12. So the uncertainty is basically this value divided by 2. That gives you 0.06. 0.06. What type of error caused the variation in the measurements of time? That would be a random error. Suggest one reason for the error that caused the variation in the measurements of time. That mainly could have been from different heights. So maybe a slight difference in the height. The ball may have been dropped from different heights. 3.4. The graph, figure 4 shows a graph of the height the ball was dropped from against the time squared. So it looks like it's a directly proportional graph. It's a straight line. The acceleration of the ball can be calculated using the equation acceleration equals 2 multiplied by the gradient of the graph. Determine the acceleration of the graph. So for that, you need to determine the gradient of the graph, which is y over x. So gradient equals y over x. So if I choose this value and draw a straight line, there you go. So y equals 3.5 meters. The x value is 0.7. So gradient equals 3.5 divided by 0.7. That should give you 5. Let me double check that. So 3.5 divided by 0.7. That gives you 5. So 2 multiplied by 5 will give you 10. Acceleration equals 2 times 5. That gives me 10. 10 is the final answer. That brings us to the end of this question, and I will see you in question number 4.